19th century carved walnut settee. The serpentine frame is richly carved, with flowing acanthus leaves, floral garlands, and scrolling foliage, particularly pronounced along the cresting rail. Apron and arm supports, demonstrating the skilled craftsmanship typical of high Victorian furniture. Cabriole legs with castors complete the look, adding both elegance and ease of movement. Height 38 inches, width 69.5 inches, depth 36.5 inches. A striking settee. Visit our website to explore more.